What's up, trader? Welcome to live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. We'll be doing a live trading session and live analysis, live discussion as usual, like every day we do Monday to Friday. So before I begin, as usual, make sure you smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. As you have seen yesterday, most of the pairs did exactly according to analysis, including today. And probably if you watch that yesterday's live stream, you have found an enormous value in this channel. And this is the main goal of this channel, is to help the trader, as many trader as possible. So we see that NFP coming tomorrow. Today also there is a high impact news release on USD pairs. Also already CHF pairs has given us really good impact on the news. So we are having really a volatile market. Today monthly candle closed, and that's a good time, because in the middle of the month you see that most of the time most of the pairs are in a sideways. So when it is trending, it's time to take the trade, get the money out of the market. So let's see what's happening in the market. In the meantime, guys and girls, don't forget to use the live chat. You have an opportunity to interact with me in that live chat. You can request anything, your favorite pair to analyze. So let me look at first of all, let's look at gold, what's happening with the gold, and I will come back and forth. Guys and girls, welcome. We secured back-to-back 2 trades on gold only today. As you have seen that I have posted analysis, and then we have secured this trade on gold. Now I'll show you everything exactly what happened with the gold, why I have analyzed that gold in that way, so that you can next time catch this kind of trade, and also you can predict the market in that way. If you look at the intraday or 4-hour time frame, gold basically is in a really a strong downtrend. You can see that after the previous candle has created a doji, it's a hanging man in this very important level of resistance, clean price action. And this is what I posted analysis today. Triple times I posted analysis. If you are following me anywhere, definitely I'm sure that you catch this trade, like we caught this trade with our students, back-to-back 2 winning trades on gold. So let's begin with some of the pairs now giving us trading opportunity. Then we'll come back and forth in all the pairs, including GJ, GBP, JPY, and also Gbpusd also now started to drop. As you have seen yesterday, also we secured very good trade on this one as well. So let me first look at in the chat what you guys and girls are up to. Laura, good afternoon here, waiting from South Africa. Laura, thank you very much. Like the video, show the host some support. Thank you very much, Martin. David, afternoon from Ryan, London. Great call on gold, by the way. Thanks. No problem, David. Thank you very much. I'm sure that you made some money out of it. Great. And that's the goal of this call. You see that this is Forex Wizard. If you want to learn my strategies like this to predict the market, go to the website link in the description area for more value like this. Majid, hello from Nigeria, Algeria. Gold, please. Yeah, of course. Salam, sir. Gold, please. Yeah, of course. Gold. Everyone wants gold. Yeah, I also want gold. Definitely. Thanks very much. No problem. So let's look at start with gold again. As you see that gold is really giving us good opportunity. Now let's look at gold. Let me first show you the trade that I have opened with our VP student, that we have closed both of them trade with good profit today. It's a really good day for all of us. All the trades going according to the reason I'm showing you, so that you can get confidence about the analysis. It's good that you see what's happening in the channel, so that you can have some confidence. So gold, let me short this screen here. Okay, so back-to-back 2 trade. The first one in late in the Asian session, and we secured full profit on it. Gold hit profit target, and a couple of hours later I found that gold again reached up, and I'll show you why I send in what context. Trust me, watch this. Next time you can catch this kind of gold trade. Okay, and next time again golds, that's what you need to do. When the market giving opportunity, take it. When the market is in a sideway, stay in a sideway, wait for the market to give you opportunity. Now gold, again I sold gold again, and this same trade signal sent to our VIP students with explanation, clear video explanation, and we took the full profit on this one as well, guys and girls. Okay, smash the like button now. So now let me tell you first trade why I open, and second trade why I open, and then we'll jump on to the other pairs. So first of all, let me move this one a little bit away so that I can explain clearly. Okay, so the first trade, this one, when this candle has formed, okay, when this green candle has formed, this is the 4-hour candle. When this candle was closing, I know that gold is likely to drop from here. What told me that gold will likely to drop from here? See, this is the subtle clue that you need to pay attention when you are trading. You see that this is a long, yesterday during the live stream, you remember this is what I told, right? That gold is likely to test this previous support here as a resistance, and then reject. This is what exactly gold has done. Again, give a smash like button if you didn't do that. And after that, we saw a strong rejection on gold, followed by a couple of candles. I was waiting for another entry. And when you see this one formed, you see this is a sniper entry. Now this candle formed in a very, very important area of value. What is that? Look at this movement. Look at all of them. This is a big red movement, right? So when you see a strong movement, let's say like this, a big red movement, okay, a big movement. If you see that there is one candle has not been related to the movement, such as this one, not in the relating to the movement, okay, completely separate, that can give you a huge resistance for this move. And this is a strongly falling market. Okay, this is one thing. Another thing is, see, this is the opening candle of the day. What is the significance in this candle? You see, this is a gap up. Okay, this candle opened with a gap up, so there is a huge resistance, huge seller in this zone. Okay, with a gap up with a previous support turning resistance, and once this candle has formed, I know that, okay, from here gold is likely to reject, and that is where I send this trade with a narrow stop loss, only couple of pip stop loss, and a take profit target that has hit exactly in the. So if you look at the 15 minutes time frame, this trade starting from here ending here, it's a good trade and hit profit target. So let's see what happened next. Okay, and you see that the next one, why did I take the next one, the second trade in just a couple of hours? See, when this candle, green candle formed, as I told you, the price just touched the top and then dropped, right? Now this one closed as a hanging man. This is another opportunity, and it's a big opportunity. Okay, why? Because when you see hanging man formed in this resistance, you see that this support, the same level, act as support, acting as resistance for this hanging man. Okay, this is a big hanging man, and from here I know that this is gonna drop, and we have so opened second trade on gold, this one, okay, with entry, take profit, and a stop loss that is sent to our VIP mentorship students. Okay, so back to back two trades. Now you see that what's happening. What I think that gold, you see that the already dropped, and this candle is still 2 hours 18 minutes remaining. What I think that, let me look at the bigger picture daily. I think that gold will continue to drop, but for enter another trade, we need to see what's happening. So make sure you stick till the end. If I find any opportunity in this time frame, in this live session, definitely I will share with you. In the meantime, if you want to receive trade like this and also learn my strategies to know how I predict the market with such an accuracy, you can find a link in the description area, and also I pinned the website link at the top of the chat. You can visit the website to see possible opportunity to join to learn the mentorship program. And if you want to learn my strategies, you need to join the lifetime access plan so that you can have access to everything in this Forex Trading Wizard Academy. You have seen that what it is so far. So now let me look at chat, what you guys and girls are interested in. Ali Latif, hi Ali, no problem. Hatsi, hello. Fancy, very good. Akash, hi. Gbp, USD, please I will look at all of them. Greeting from Tanzania. Where are from, brother? Nice job, bro. Please, dollar yen. Yes, David, greeting from Sydney, Australia. So you are from Tanzania, from such a long distance. I appreciate your time here. Pin bar on 4-hour time frame, Aussie dollar. Yep, we'll look at all of them. Just be patient. Wasim Sek, GBP, AUD. Yep, Rudy, hi coach. Euro, USD, please today. Yep, sure. Nice work. You are doing really helpful. Very good, Francis. Absolutely. This is my job. Mohammed, hi coach, how are you doing? I'm very good, Mohammed, thank you very much. Back, hello sir from Nepal, thank you from Nepal. This is from Sydney. Happy to see you today, coach. I will join lifetime VIP this weekend. Ahmed, you are welcome, most welcome, and we really will warm welcome this weekend. Thank you for making this decision. Hello sir, GBP and ZD, no problem, very good. Fila, good day sir, no problem. Hello, please give an example about order block. Thank you. Hatsti, I have a separate clear video on YouTube channel that I posted a couple of weeks ago about order blocks. You can watch that. That's a real video that you can find in this industry with everything's clear there, but we'll quickly talk about it, no problem. You are the best in Forex. Thank you. You are the best too. Good morning, Wizard from Costa Rica. Good morning from Sydney. Good evening from Sydney. Hello Sriji, very good. Hi sir from Kenya. Very good. From Abu Dhabi, Gulam. Very good. AUD and ZD. Dollar yen. Very good. Hello sir, tell about dollar yen and point, sell or buy. Very good, thank you very much. Awesome. It's really good to see that all of you are here. Everyone is finding value in this channel. Thank you very much for joining this live trading session. So let me look at now some other pairs. Let's look at Aussie dollar. Okay, so Aussie dollar, oh yeah, this one also we have had a profit target hit today. Okay, we opened this trade 2 days earlier in this zone, and we had a nice looking hit profit target in Aussie dollar. Smash the like button now. So I will analyze the chart now. Aussie dollar, you remember when the price was here, this is what exactly I was talking about, that Aussie dollar is likely to drop from here, and Aussie dollar did its job from here, exactly dropped according to the analysis, according to the expectation. So now let me just quickly one second, let me show you the Aussie dollar trade, then we will move forward on analysis so that you know that actually how this things is working, how you can so this is the Aussie dollar that I have posted in the VIP channel after the US 30 trade. This one also a winning trade. So Aussie dollar trade that ended up nice looking winning trade today, hit profit target. You can see that at 0.6798 the profit target hit. So now why did I send this? It's I have already analyzed. So let me look at now Aussie dollar, what might happen in Aussie dollar. So if you look at, first of all, bigger picture, always look at bigger picture when you are trading. Now on the monthly perspective, Aussie dollar is bearish, as I was mentioning in all my analysis all the time. So Aussie dollar on the monthly perspective is bearish. Why? Because if you look at all the high of the monthly candlestick, what you can see that Aussie dollar creating series of lower high on the monthly perspective. Now today this monthly candle has closed. This is a really strongly bearish trading candle, okay, but we can't expect it to just to drop like that. Why? Because there is a rejection here. You see that there is this green candle is a rejection, so we might see some kind of reaction to the upside. Now it is now or later, so let's look at now weekly perspective. This is the weekly candle that is closing tomorrow, right, after tomorrow. So but weekly perspective, Aussie dollar is highly bearish, guys. You can see that the price has created a nice looking head and shoulder. Now this is the weekly price action, that this head and shoulder, now this current weekly candle has broken out of this support zone here, okay. This is the weekly level of support and resistance. This is the candle. What I think that we might see deeper retracement next week, but now let's see on the daily what's happening. Now on the daily also the bunch of head and shoulder, you see the minions of head and shoulder. This is another one here, okay. So with that head and shoulder, the price basically has broken with this pin bar here, okay. Now today, as expected, the price came to this very important level of support zone here. Now from this support, I think that Aussie dollar might have a bounce. Not impossible to see that it have a bounce, or it could continue to drop, okay. So when I am in this kind of confusion, either it has a bounce or it might continue, then what I do normally is I just wait to see what's happening. Now if you look at the 4 hour, okay, so what we see that this is where I have opened the trade that you have seen was a winning trade. Now what I think, you see that this candle is forming after 1 hour 10 minutes. This price action, there is on the 4 hour as well, there is a head and shoulder, has broken down of this head and shoulder. Now the price has created, you see that this is the channel, has broken. And what I'm expecting now, the price to test this support here as a resistance, and then to break down. But if so, to sell Aussie dollar again for now, because as I told you, we could see a deeper retracement. If that's the case, then we could potentially see a bigger move to this level, okay. So in what situation I will be selling again? I need Aussie dollar to go up again, okay, break this high, probably coming to this zone, along this zone, okay, create a lower high with this one, then I will say that okay, it's now ready for sell again, smash the like button. Otherwise just wait, because from this zone selling is not a good idea at all. I think that we might see some spike up today. There is a news announcement. Let's look at the Forex Factory news calendar, okay. So this is a free news site, guys and girls. If you're completely new, you can find free news announcement here. There's a calendar, Forex Factory. If you go to this calendar, 12 a.m. today Sydney time, it's now 9:51, 12 p.m. around 2 hours 10 minutes later, there will be news on USD, and we could see a spike. But what I think that tomorrow NFP coming, and we could see a little bit of sideways movement until the NFP, okay. So during that NFP, what I think that it might have a spike like that, and then we could see drop, okay. So daily perspective, I think that during this NFP we could see Aussie dollar going up, maybe dollar getting a little bit weaker, so Aussie dollar might go up, probably will test this daily 20 period moving average again, and then we could see that Aussie dollar is coming down. Yeah, I think, or if this daily candle closes here as a doji, in that case we might see a little bit of penetration and then coming down. So until NFP, I will not be opening any USD trade for now until I see very lucrative setup. I'll be waiting, because there could be now some kind of movement that is not predictable because of the NFP. Okay, guys and girls, let me look at what you guys and girls are up to. See that I'm at Gbpusd. You look at it. Hi from Israel. Thank you very much for joining such a great distance. I'm General, great sniper. Thank you very much. We got 2 sniper entry on gold. Successful trade. Please check Gbpusd. You will look at it. Hello sir from Japan, Tokyo. I'm big fan yours. Thank you, Alpana. Thank you very much from joining such a long distance from Japan. That's really appreciated for your time. It really make hanging man on top. Then after come down trend, tell me what do I mean by, I don't know what you said. Nice sell Gbpusd, nice week. Yep, awesome. Hi sir, euro, dollar and GBP, can we hold for long trade? If yes, when can you place the lot? Karthik, euro, dollar, Gbpusd, they are bearish market. I don't recommend to buy, but yeah, we'll look at all of them. Karthik, very much. Harmony, NZD, AUD, NZD, I will look at it. Akash, Gbpusd, hello from Nairobi. Oil, yep, we'll look at it. NAS 100, yep, we'll look at it. Thank you, coach, from being kind to beginners watching from Dubai. Thank you, Eguni. Thank you very much for this joining. Helen, dollar yen. Today sell or buy US 100, no problem. Hi, please look at US 30. Okay, so we had some indices request. Let me look at them and then we'll jump on to the other pairs. So let me look at US 30. Okay guys, so US 30, we have closed trade with good profit on this one as well. This is what happening with Forex Trading Wizard Academy. You see that US 30, we have open back-to-back 2 trades, one here on the day. So today, one yesterday, after this live stream, I have posted another trade on US 30 after the first one closing. So we see that US 30 we have sold from here. Okay, so this is what you need to understand. After you open the trade, the price gone to the other direction, you see that, but you have to be patient in your trading. When you are trading, the price will move. So you have opened the trade here, the price went to the other direction, to the upside, and then started to drop in the direction. I will explain why I have predicted this trade with such an accuracy and what causes me to send to the VIP student so that you can learn next time. So we have closed it here. Okay, I instructed my VIP student to close this US 30 trade here because I know that it might see some spike to the upside due to the NFP. Now let me tell you why I have opened this trade on US 30. Now we have a specific strategy to trade this kind of instrument. I may not be able to fully disclose all the rules of the strategies, but you can visit the website link in the description area if you want to learn that strategy. But for now, let me explain in the live stream and let me analyze US 30 what next going to happen with this one. So first let's look at the bigger picture monthly. Okay, you remember that from here I was making analysis for shorting. In fact, this movement, you remember in live stream when the price was here, this is what exactly I told that US 30 is likely to drop. Look at this, where it has dropped from. Okay, this is what it is now. Monthly perspective, you see, when you see this is a long term now bearish market, okay, on the monthly perspective, and the price basically has broken the high of the doji. This is the monthly doji. You see that there is a monthly doji on US 30. This resistance is broken completely to the upside. Okay, and in that zone we have seen a reversal pattern on the lower time frame. So when you see this kind of doji and has broken with a long candle, you can expect in fact a reversal, okay, on the lower time frame. Now we on the weekly perspective, this is a liquidity grab as I mentioned before, and you see there is a long narrow doji here. With the narrow doji, the price basically grabbed liquidity from this resistance, and then we have seen a very strong bearish candle. Okay, this candle has a gap up, gap down, okay, back to back two gaps with a full body red. That's a very strong bearish engulfer. Now daily perspective, we see that there is a double top and then has broken down, retracement, strong bearish engulfer followed by narrow doji. Okay, so when I saw this, you see this, when you see this kind of daily price action, that's a very powerful in any time frame. See, this is what you need to pay attention when you are trading. You see that this daily candle, there is a gap here, okay, and then the price broke the previous day's high, okay, completely it has broken, and then closed with a long middleman, okay, which has a long wick at the bottom, long wick at the top, and it's a strong middleman, right? Now with that candle, the price basically we have seen on the daily time frame, it created a head and shoulder and then it's broken down, followed by a retracement with a gap. So that is where I found it to be a very important trade for shorting. And on the 4 hour perspective, there is a big gap open, and we have seen the price has created a narrow channel. This is what you need to look for when you are analyzing the chart. That's why I'm analyzing. See that? So the price basically has created a double top formation here, and then with that bearish candle, price has broken out of this channel, completely separated from this channel. And then with that separation, we have seen another bearish candle followed by this retracement to the upside, and then there is another bearish engulfer followed by, so when this bearish engulfer formed, this is where you see that I have posted the short trade. The reason is, you see that this is what you need to look at. How do you know that we should buy or sell? You might say, okay, couple of green candle gap opening, let's buy. Now at the bottom, let's buy. Okay, we think that way. You can't think that way. Okay, if you see a bottom, don't think of buying. You need to look at the health of the candle. So what is the health of the candle? If you look at this one here, you see there's a long red candle, a very strong drop, all right, and then look at the health of this candle. Now look at the health of these green candles. Okay, so then why do you need to look at this? You might say, okay, the way we think normally, okay, most retail trader think is that, okay, there is a big drop, the price is at the bottom, very low price, let's buy, because the way we program our mind is what we call the supermarket strategy. I also apply that strategy when I go to the supermarket. Okay, yesterday the price was any price, tissue price or sugar price was $30. Today $15. Wow, let's buy. The price is low, buy. That's the strategy we use for our home, right? But in any product, it's the best strategy you can do. In my product also, when I give discount, yeah, I give discount because it's a product. It's a value that you are purchasing so that you can make money. Okay, it's a strategy that will make you money. But when it comes to trading, you need to reverse your logic. Okay, it defies logic. In trading, the lower the price is, the higher for chance for selling. So you need to inverse that concept of normal strategy. So when it comes to trading, you see that these big candles who form this candle, they are placing order in the market and they are not closing their order. Okay, there is a lot of big boys sold in it. You and me cannot move this market in that big instrument. Okay, So the big boys sold here, their order is still there, it is putting a pressure on the price. And when you see that this kind of drop followed by a couple of candle and then another drop, okay, another drop is where the entry, okay, this is the entry, and this is where I have sent this trade, okay, but it has gone up for retracement. Our stop loss well protected, and we have found a winning trade. Smash the like button now, okay? So now what is likely to happen? You might say, okay, Forex user, I understand what is likely to happen. Let's go to the monthly again. Okay, what I think that until NFP we might see some upward movement, unfortunately, okay, or fortunately, I don't know which way you are buying or selling. But the thing is that I'm not gonna be a buyer in this market. That is the key points you need to keep in mind. In any cost, I try to avoid trading against the trend. Okay, this is the biggest lesson I learned all the time. So this is the main thing that I always learn from my life, is that always trade with the trend. Okay, so now let's look at what you can do in that case. What I think that, let's look at the daily now. Now there is NFP coming, right? And I think that we might see some spike. If during this NFP the price goes up, okay, create another bearish price action here, then we could sell. Otherwise we just need to wait for the things to happen. Okay, so that's what I will be doing, is I will be observing the price action for NFP. Okay, so let's see now what I think that this price will do. It might even drop, but I think that it will go for a deeper retracement, because the price already have you know that the price already moved a lot, so we could potentially see a little bit of deeper retracement, and that is what I am expecting for the price to move to the upside, probably to this level. See, this is the previous support here, to test as a resistance, okay, in this zone, and then we can potentially see potential movement in the market. So let me look at now what's instrument that we can do. So in the meantime, guys and girls, let me look at the chat, what you guys and girls are up to. Eurusdjpy, is it false breakout of resistance or not? Oh, look at it. James Nicky, Eurusdjpy has a pattern on weekly. Yep, sir. So Arpan says, sir, I have opened Gbpusd and Gbpusd AUD at sell side. Please tell me. Okay, we'll look at it. Abdul said, sir, VIP signals are very good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Very good for appreciation. Awesome. Alona said that, Mr. Wizard, what will I learn if I join lifetime access mentorship in your academy? Okay, so very good question. If you join our mentorship program in lifetime access, okay, lifetime access, yeah, the question is, so you will get some values. First thing, lifetime access, you will get that you learn all the strategies that I'm using to trade the market every day, okay, and you will be given, you will receive all the trade that I am taking, okay, all the trade I am taking personally. You will receive an alert for them with entry, stop loss and take profit, and also a regular market breakdown after the trade that I am sending to the private group. and you will be member for the rest of this life. Any strategy coming, especially the news and price action strategy and middleman strategy, you will get access to all of them. So this is what you will be learning when you will be joining this lifetime access plan. So now let me look at go back to gold again. Now, as I told you, gold back to back 2 trades that we have closed with good profit, same day in couple of hours, 2 trades, guys and girls. You have seen the screenshot. Now you see that gold has created a really strong bearish price action. It is absolutely awesome bearish price action. Now what I think that now gold is going to do after closing of this candle, I think that it will continue to drop further. Why? Let me do a full analysis. If you look at the monthly, you see that this market is basically disconnected from the support. Okay, monthly perspective, guys, we might see a massive drop on gold. The reason is, you see this monthly candle close today. Okay, this monthly candle close today, and this candle basically has a gap opening with a no wick at the top, and this market, this support is looks like that it has been disconnected from the support, meaning that we might see some free fall on gold. If you look at the weekly, this is the price action that really I love to trade. Weekly, it's a very clean bearish price action. You see that there is a double top, breakdown, retracement, breakdown, retracement, deeper retracement. Now we can expect another breakdown. So because it was creating a series of lower high and lower low, we can expect this market to create new lower low. Okay, so that's the language of the market, to create new lower low. It's a trending market, and interestingly, this is a very important level of support that primarily penetrated. Okay, so if this market melts on the gold, it will basically melt like that, and then will retest, and then will have a big drop. It's a change of trend in gold. Okay, an uptrend changes to the downtrend, meaning that there is a big move coming on gold. Okay, so on the weekly perspective. Now daily, we see that this is a really strong sell of bearish market. You can see that on the intraday, you see this is the hanging man, and when this green candle was forming, this is what have been sent to our students on the first move, and again we have sold gold again in the second move, guys and girls. Okay, because when the market is giving opportunity, you need to take it. Okay, that's how we need to trade. This is what I did, that the first move we have sold one and we took profit out of the market, and then we have sold gold again, and then we took the profit out of the market. So now what is likely to happen? You see, this is the hanging man. This current 4-hour candle is a very strong bearish candle. Now gold on the way has created a very strong level of resistance here. Okay, so I think that we could see something like that. Okay, so to enter another trade, let me look at the 15 minutes chart. The price is respecting this trend line, liquidity gap again, here liquidity gap. So what I think that we need to wait for this to be broken. So as soon as we will find another entry, we'll pardon me guys, I'm sorry, sometime this happened to me. I'm so sorry about it. Oh my god, take a break. Let me give you take a break, and in the meantime, guys and girls, I give you 2 seconds. Smash the like button. Okay, it really helps when you give a lot of smashing liking button. It really helps the channel to grow, to take the stream to the top of the search engine of the YouTube. So this is who you are, going at the top. So you are in this channel watching this live stream. When you smash the like button, the video goes up, so you also go up on the live stream. Okay, Thank you very much for your effort and help to the channel. It's really good to hear. So let me look at Benjamin says, good day coach, I really make sure not to miss live session. I will join VIP soon, all the way from South Africa. Loli. Thank you, Benjamin. Very good. Thank you very much for your interest on joining live Forex Trading Wizard Academy. We'll see you soon, very soon. Lo, how do you know trend reversal? Okay, Lo, we'll talk it now. It's very good question. Can you take a look at gold? I missed out on the trade recommendation. No problem, Lo. It's okay to miss. Always be patient with the trade. There is a lot of trade I also miss personally. So let yourself miss some trade. Okay, it's not, you know that Warren Buffett said that we miss the Google trade, Google share, and we'll keep missing them. It's a very good knowledgeable thing. So you need to understand that you have to be comfortable on missing. You see that on the 15 minutes gold, basically this is a bearish price action. You see there is a bearish engulfer creating a bearish pattern, and we might see a drop from here. Okay, so please look at silver and dollar yen. Look at it, brother, as high impact news affect other currencies movement. I think that mainly will impact the USD pairs. In NFP it might impact. Okay, hello sir, waiting for a video currency correlation video, please. Yeah, we'll look at it. I'll make a video on currency correlation. Kakulan says hi. Thank you very much, Kakulan. From Tanzania, watching live Forex Wizard. Thank you very much from joining such a long distance. So Kraus asks that the magic candle is still confusing me. Professor, can you please confirm that you only trade in the direction of the trend, whether it is bearish or bullish? Yes, I always trade in the direction of the trend unless if it is a reversal. So let me talk about reversal. I'll talk about reversal because I had a question to ask to talk about reversal. Ali said if I join, okay, Ali asked this question in the live chat. After the live stream we'll talk about it, no problem. Thank you very much. Wizard, can I be independent trader after I learn your strategies? How do you deliver them? Very good question. Future tech, very good question. Okay, the question is, will I be an independent trader after I learn your strategy? How do you deliver them? Very good question. So if you want to be an independent trader, learning the strategy from Forex Trading Wizard, absolutely, this is the goal of this strategy of this academy. Okay, now the delivery is inside the website in a clear, concise video format, so that you understand with proper back testing result. Thank you very much for this question. Okay, so I had a question, very good question. Take a look at gold. I missed out. Okay, gold now, what I'm thinking that this is the 15 minutes and I see a bearish price action, guys and girls. Let me look at this candle hourly. So there is it's a bearish candle. There's a bearish engulfer followed by a doji. Now on the 15 minutes, this is the 15-minute chart, and I would say if gold reach this zone, it's a sell signal on gold, I think. Okay, I think that it will go up, but there is a gap opening. Okay, for me gold is sell. Okay, gold is sell signal on 15 minutes time frame, but as I don't trade on 15 minutes. I have already taken 2 trades on gold on 15 minutes, but now I'm not trading on 15 minutes because this is what I do. When I take too many trades, I just stay away because I don't open too many trades. We have secured 2 trades on gold on profit, but for me it's a sell signal. Okay, so now let me look at a question from Lou. Said that okay, so let me look at, okay, so I had a question, how do you know a trend reversal? Okay, very good question, very good question. In the meantime, let me see. Okay, so the question was, how do you know a trend reversal? Okay, first of all, how do a trending market moves? Okay, very good question. How do a trending market moves like this? A movement, correction, movement, correction. This is the language of the market, right? Now, how does this trend ends? In 2 or 3 ways, couple of ways. The first one way this trend might end is like this, a big move up, okay, like this, and then immediate drop down. Okay, so this is how the trending market moves. Now, when you see the price doing like that, okay, when you see that the price has from a trending market like this, a big move to the upside, a vertically move like that, okay, and then the price immediately came back like a V shape or a S shape, that is one way the trend changes. Okay, this is the one way the trend changes. Another way the trend change is like creating a reversal pattern. Okay, so when you see a trend like this, okay, and then create a double top, right, a head and shoulder or a double top like that, okay, and then what you could see that when you see like this and then created a strong reversal double top with a big move, and the price has broken out of this trend line, the price tests this previous support as a resistance, and that is where the trend changes, reversal happens. So until I see a previous support testing as a resistance, I do not enter a reversal trade. Okay, I do not enter a reversal trade until I see a big hit in that sense. So that is how normally trend changes. So let me give you an example, but just need to do something in this streaming software, which is doing a little bit of things that I just need to, just give me just 30 seconds please. Okay, so okay, all right, so now let me give you a couple of examples so that exactly next time you can spot trend change and you can pick that trade. Okay, let me tell you. So let me look at some examples that recently we traded. Let's say Gbpusd. Okay, see, these are the trade that we closed with success. Okay, one is here. Okay, this is not a very good example. USD CHF. Okay, so quite a few examples. I want to show a clean example so that you can exactly spot. Okay, I can't see it here. Okay, US 30. Okay, US 30, the one that last time that we see a nice prediction. Okay, that because of the timing. Okay, so US 30, look at this one here. Okay, you see that the price was creating a series of higher high, okay, higher low, uptrend, nice looking uptrend. Okay, so once the price created this move in this trend, see what happened. A big move happened, a big spike, created a double top, and then has broken down, right? And after that, what happened? Look at this. With this long candle, the price tested this neckline of this double top as a resistance, rejected. Again, the price went above, tested again, created a lower high, and this series of lower high, and then has broken down. Okay, so that's the change of trend from an uptrend. This trend line broken, tested multiple times, and that changes to the downtrend. Okay, so that's how trend changes. Okay, the US 30 is still in a downtrend after that. Okay, so that's how you will find out how trend changes. I hope that this video was really this lesson was helpful to you, and we'll see what happened. So let me look at what David says. Thanks. How do you avoid selling a trade which is likely to reverse like gold, and how do you avoid buying a long which is likely to reverse? How do you differentiate pullback and reversal? Very good, long question, but I'll talk about it. Okay, David asked, how do I avoid selling a trend which is likely to reverse like gold, and how do I trend is likely? Okay, how do you predict that price in changing direction? Okay, Joyce asked. Some good question coming, very good. Hello sir, kindly check Eurusd. Yeah, we'll do the analysis, but also the important that you guys and girls understanding what I'm telling you. So how do you avoid selling a trend which is likely to reverse? Okay, so the way you can avoid selling in a trend which is likely to reverse, when the market is overextended, then don't do it. So how do you know? Let's say market move in a pattern. You see that in most cases, as I told you, market moves like that. Okay, let's say like this. So you see the pattern, you see that. So the market was, respecting this trend line or channel, right? Now when you are, let's say it's an uptrend, so you'll be buying, right? So you'll be buying when the market is in a pullback. In this previous resistance, tested as a support, create a bullish price action, that is where you will be buying. You know that it's in an uptrend. Now the price in previous resistance, testing as support, created a bullish candle, means that it is ready to go to the next level. Okay, this is where. Now to avoid, you can't avoid ever everything. Okay, as I told you, you have to accept the fact that you need to sometime take the losses, right? That's why you need to learn the proper risk management. So there is no word like avoiding, but reducing or high probability trade setup is when you see that this market, let's say, became like this. Okay, after long trend, the market like this means it might reverse at any time. In that case, avoid buying here, neither be selling. Wait for the price to reverse, create a reversal pattern, change its trend from the uptrend to the downtrend, then sell. Okay, early in the trend. That's how you can avoid. Avoid means like reduce reversal. Okay, guys and girls. Joyce asks, how do you predict the price in changing direction? Yeah, that's what I mentioned. That so when you see a reversal pattern, in an important area of value, that is where you can predict a reversal. Okay, so let me give you an example with US30. You see that there are a couple of double top in many areas. Okay, there is one here also. If you just get confused, let's say you saw a kind of double top here also. You see that? You might say, okay, double top at the top, let's sell. No, why the next double top becomes so important? The reason is, firstly, before forming this double top, there was a big spike. Okay, as I told you, big spike, and then formed a double top. Okay, and another important thing, very important thing, is where this double top form. Let's draw a circle and see where this double top form. One is here, one is here. Okay, now go to the monthly chart. What do you see? See that this double top formed above this previous monthly dojis high. This one below the monthly dojis high. Okay, so when you see the market is overextended, created a big spike on the lower time frame, created a double top, broke the monthly high, this is where the high probability setup, guys and girls. Okay, so this is where you need to give a big smashing the like button now. Okay, give a big thumbs up to help the stream, and also don't forget to subscribe, guys. Press that bell button, because when you press that bell button, you can get immediately notified. Okay, you see that if you watch a movie or any kind of entertaining video, you sometimes don't need to press the bell button. You can wait to watch it till the weekend. But trading is all about hot things, you know. When I posting an analysis like the one I did today on gold, and you need to look at it immediately so that you can use in your trading. So when you press that bell button, that is when you can notify immediately as soon as anything is being released. So now let's look at let me look at what's happening else. Dollar yen. Okay, let's look at dollar yen. Now dollar yen, we see that this is a very, very strongly bullish market in all aspects. We have seen a strong bullish price action. Now on the monthly perspective, dollar yen has closed this monthly candle well above, okay, breaking all this level of resistance. This is a very, very strong bullish market, guys. On dollar yen, you see this is a creating series of higher high and higher low, and I think that it will go a little further up. But the thing is that when the monthly close, this is the monthly close, and now the question is either it will come for a deeper retracement or it will continue to go up from here. Now what I think that after this kind of big move on dollar yen, I think that the price might go in a sideways for some time. Okay, we might see some breakdown a little bit and then might go in a sideways. Okay, so with that in mind, on the 4-hour perspective, the price at this point, I will not be a buyer on dollar yen. Okay, guys, because the price action is really very, very at the top, and I need to see proper confirmation, okay, for longing dollar yen. Guys and girls, I just need to take 1 minute break. Okay, hopefully you will be there, guys and girls. Wanna see you stay there just for 1 minute break, and I will come back. Okay, thank you. I'm back, guys and girls. Sorry for the delay. So let's see now what's happening in the market, and then we'll jump on to other pairs. So as I mentioned on, let's look at, so dollar yen, as I told you, it's a long-term bullish market. Okay, so if we see strong bullish price action, then we can buy dollar yen. Okay, you see that there was a bullish structure here and then has broken out to the upside. Now if you look at the monthly, we see that dollar yen basically has created this, closed this monthly candle now above all this level of resistance. Okay, so from here we could see, if it goes up, it will be a very flying move because it's a historically high price on dollar yen. Okay, so when you see there is nothing, it's uncertainty, we might see a very flying move before reversing. Okay, so with that in mind, if you look at the 4 hour, we see already the price is creating bullish, so no selling. When there is a bullish price action, we can go buy dollar yen. Okay, this one, current one, is creating a bullish candle, but I'm not gonna buy because I need a very strong structure. Okay, we might see any point a little deep. So if the bullish candle created here, that is where I will be buying on dollar yen. Okay, so this one is with dollar yen. Let me look at what you guys and girls are up to. Sir, kindly check Euro GBP. I'll look at it next. Euro GBP. Yep. Hi coach Peter Muzamba from Zambia, thank you very much for joining from such a long distance. TK boss, please. Euro GB, yep, no problem. Peter Matubi, gold, please. Look at it. Joycey, which time frame do you use to determine long-term reversal? So long-term reversal, it depends on what, every time frame has a trend and has a reversal. So each time frame is the same depending on what time frame you are trading. Okay, so long-term reversal means, like, let's say if you are trading in 5 minutes, if you say a big long trend, it's a long-term trend, right? So it depends on what time frame you are trading to determine the reversal. So good, thank you so much for your gold trade signal. No problem. Sangram Biswas, thank you very much to you also. Let's look at Sir GBP CHF, please. Look at it. Sir Marcus, Euro GBP, like, yeah, look at it. What is happening with CAD CHF? Look at it. GBP and ZD, please. Madhu, thank you very much, Madhu. CAD CHF, please. USD. Okay, so I see quite a few requests. So Roha says, sir, I joined Lifetime yesterday. I really impressed with the news and price action strategy. Can I use it any time frame? Okay, so the news and price action strategy, only this strategy you have to use only on the 4 hour time. This is a very high probability setup. As you have seen that day USD CAD, we opened on that strategy, and many other trade we open based on that strategy. So yeah, this one only on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, one time frame you can use. Okay, so let's look at now, let me look at what other pairs are doing. GBP CHF and GBP CAD, we see that there is a strong reversal on GBP CAD. Okay, CAD getting a little bit of stronger. CAD CHF. Okay, so CAD CHF created a false breakout. Okay, we see that the candle is closing, but we saw there's a strong drop. I think that this is still, we could see some drop down on CAD CHF. We saw some liquidity gap here has gone up. Okay, so let's look at GBP and ZD, GBP JPY. So gold, especially gold, you can see that has created a nice looking bearish price action. This one has a double top. Okay, double top. Let me see what's happening with gold. 15 minutes, the price grab liquidity from this double top. Okay, so we might be able to open some gold sell. Okay, 4 hour. So let me see. Okay, so gold likely to drop a lot now. I think that it's time for. Okay, let's sell gold. Smash the like button now. Short from here. Okay, this candle is going to close. Let's sell gold. We might see a move. So place a pending order around this zone. Okay, around 1698.48. Keep in mind this is only for educational. I will explain later why we are doing this. Let's target first of all 1 to 1. Okay, so place a pending order at, this is an educational only, 1698.48. stop loss at 1704.34. okay, take profit at 16, let me do it 1 to 1. So take profit at 1692.52. okay, so this is the pending order. I think that it's gonna drop a lot probably. We see a double top on 15 minutes with a liquidity gap with a strong bearish engulfer. So let me send the same trade to our VIP student. Gold sell limit, we already sold twice, so let me sell again. Okay, when giving opportunity, why should we miss it? Sell limit, we could be wrong. As I told you, it's only for educational. Anyone taking big risk will be your own responsibility. Okay, so 1704.34 TP at 1692.52. okay, so let's keep this sell limit on. Okay, I think that the gold should go up a little bit to hit our entry. So you might, if you have a bigger swap, you can keep a little bit down the entry pending order. Okay, so stop loss here, take profit here. So you sold gold. Smash the like button. I need today 200 like. Okay guys, give a big thumbs up, and then don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so gold, now let me tell you why I'm opening this trade. The reason I have opened this gold trade is because there is a double top on the 15 minutes here. Okay, in the double top, it basically crossed two bearish engulfers high. This is the bearish engulfer. It has crossed this high. Okay, it has a liquidity now, grab liquidity, and from that liquidity we have seen that gold basically has broken out of this head and shoulder, okay, with a double top. Now what I believe that gold will go up a little bit to hit our entry, the pending order. That, let me put mine on as well. So we already closed two trade on gold early today, you have seen that. So now this is the third trade on gold, and I sincerely believe that we will be successful in all of them. Okay, so we closed two profitable trade today on gold. This is the third trade. Let's keep it running, and I think that we should see some feedback on this one as well. So these are the gold trades that we have so far closed today. One is this one, profit target, the other one here, okay, it's going up. Start, so two trades, two back-to-back profit. This is the third one on gold that we are opening. So yeah, going up, let it go up. So let's keep the entry here. Let me, okay, so it's going up, hit the entry. Look at mine, what's happening with, okay, let me look at mine, what's happening. Okay, so now I think that we could see a rejection from here. So 1696, 97. Okay, go up. So let me check mine. Okay, so what we can do now, enter by market. Okay, I'm gonna enter by market, okay, sell by market now. Okay, so it's going there, but I didn't. Okay, sell by market. If you have pending order on, sell by market, close the pending order. Okay, sell by market, close the pending order on gold, so it will be a little bit of down. So the price is now here. Sell by market and keep that take profit. I keep the take profit same. We can secure at least 50 pip from this move. Okay, let's see. 40, 50 pip. Yeah. Okay, so keep that on. Get mine on. Okay, so it's going up. So let's look at the hourly chart. Okay, so we have already this candle is going to close in 11 minutes. So yeah, there's a probability for dropping. So let's leave it there. Okay, do not, I don't like to watch too much a single trade. So instead, let's look at some other pairs that what they are doing. Leave it here. Okay. So let's look at Aussie dollar. Now we are nearing a candle close on the 4-hour perspective. Okay, so AUD and ZD, it's look like that. This one also we are running. Look like we are in the same place. So it's gone up. Okay, let it go up. We should have a rejection from here because this market already grabbed liquidity. Okay, it has a very strong liquidity, and there is news coming at 12. So before the news, we should have seen. So once this one will have a rejection from this support, now testing as resistance. That's how you can see a movement in the market. Once it will have a rejection, we should see that the price is coming down. Okay, so let's leave it like that. In the meantime, let me see what you guys and girls are up to in the chat. Cat CH is confusing me, please help. Sold, it's buying. Okay, no problem. Gold, please. Coach, no problem. So like, please. Yeah, I'm from Philippines. Gold, please. Yeah. So dollar yen can come to 121 in 6 months. We are not sure, but we could be able to Euro GBP, please. So let's look at now Euro GBP. Okay. Okay, so let's look at Euro GBP. Okay, Euro GBP, I think that Euro GBP, let me look at bigger picture monthly. Okay, we might see move on Euro GBP. This is overextended to the upside after the monthly close. We have seen 4-hour perspective. This is the 4-hour candle which is closing. I will not be a seller yet, but looks like that Euro GBP might reverse daily. The price already reached this very top place, so we could potentially see a reversal on Euro GBP. Okay, so let's look at gold, what it's doing now. 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm expecting it to reverse. Let's see what happened. So this is the hourly candle which is closing in. Okay, so if this one closes below this level of support, if it becomes a fake, it will go up, hit the stop loss, that's fine. But if this one remains below this level of support, then we can expect it to come down and hit the profit target. Okay, so getting some rejection. That's awesome, very good, getting some rejection. Okay, so getting some rejection, very good. So 6 minutes to go for this 15 minutes candle, and once this one closing below, we should see some drop now. The reason I'm open this trade is there is a liquidity grab multiple times, and okay, so okay, so we are getting some rejection to the downside, coming back down. 5 minutes remaining for this candle to close, and I'm expecting it to close below this level of support. At any point it could go up again. As I told you, this is 4-hour time frame and 15 minutes. So this is 5 minutes later. There will be a candle close on 4-hour time frame. So let's quickly review all the pairs, what they are doing. UD, CHF, Aussie dollar. Okay, let me look at Euro GBP. Euro GBP might reverse. Okay, I think that it might reverse. The way that it has formed look like it will reverse. Okay, but as I told you that I don't trade guessing reversal. It's look like a reversal pattern. This is not how I trade reversal. I need to see clear reversal and retest. Normally this kind of reversal I trade. This one, high probability that it will reverse, because on the monthly you can see that on Euro GBP, where is that? On Euro GBP on the monthly, this is a big green candle. Today the price crossed that green candle's high, and now it is coming down. Okay, so what I think that this is an overextended market, long-term bearish. We could potentially see a big move down, and it could happen that this current candle, this one, could be a top of this big move. Okay, not impossible. I think that's gonna happen. Okay, Euro GBP, I think that this could be top of this big candle. Okay guys and girls, so let's see on gold again what's happening on the 15 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes remaining. Let's see. We might see some fake move. So if it is a fake move, then nothing to do. We could see a reversal, or we should see a rejection. So if this candle remain below this level, that should be a real move. Okay. Might go up to this 20 period moving average probably. So leave it there. We'll come back again. Let's see what happened. So in the meantime, let's see Euro GBP what's happening. Okay, so it's looks to me that very strong reversal on Euro GBP. This is going to close as a very strong bearish engulfer with a liquidity gap at the top. So to trade Euro GBP, I would say that the price should come up again at least to this level. Okay, so let's assume that 50% of this body could be placed as a pending order. So that zone can be used for pending order, and I think that Euro GBP probably this is a reversal for a very big move down. Okay, so let's see on the gold again what's happening. So okay, so candle closed below this level, like couldn't break the high. So let me see what happening. It might test this 20 period moving average, and let's see. I think that it should come down back. Okay, so hourly candle closed as a doji. Okay, so still there is a big probability for dropping. Okay, so let's see this one, what this one is doing. Okay, if this current 15 minutes, if it cannot break this high, we can say that okay, now gold is on its way down. Should be like that. Let's see what happened, because you see that on the 15 minutes already there is once there is a liquidity gap in this trend line. You see that. So let me draw this trend line here. There is already a trend line. Okay, on this resistance we have seen already long wick candle, liquidity gap, came here, created a double top on the 15 minutes time frame, with this 20 period moving average. So there is one bearish engulfer, okay, and then the price gone up, basically has broken high of the bearish engulfer. So normally this kind of bearish engulfer is respected, but what we saw that it has been disrespected. The price broke that high, okay, that resistance has been broken, created a fake breakout, and then very strong rejection, okay. So creating a double top with a liquidity gap. So now what we see, that a strong rejection followed by this retracement. Now this current one, okay, this current candle is now creating, look like a doji or anything like that, and what I'm expecting it to drop. Let's see what happened. Okay, so next hour is for the gold to be very volatile. Guys and girls, I want a big thumbs up, please. Give a big thumbs up if you haven't done yet, and also give a big subscribe to the channel if you didn't do yet, so that okay, so it looks like that it will continue to drop. Guys and girls, in the meantime, if you want to learn my strategies, and also as you have seen today, so far we have closed 2 profitable trade with our VIP students. And if you want to be my VIP students in our Forex Trading Wizard Academy, learn my strategies, you can find a link in the description area. You can visit the website. Okay, so let's see what's happening with this one. Okay, so see what's happening with Eurusd. Okay. So Eurusd, to me, it reverse monthly, weekly, on the weekly, it's a daily. There's a very strong bullish move. We could see at least some kind of retracement. Now very strong bearish price action on Eurusd. Okay, even if it is traded like that, okay, yeah, it could be a good trade even 1-to-1. Okay, there is a probability that Eurusd will continue to drop from this zone. Okay, okay, let's look at now what's happening with the gold, our trade. Okay, gold looks like, okay, now it's making its way down. Okay, as I told you, it tested the 20 period moving average. Might consolidate in this zone little bit, I think, but looks like that it's making its way down, unless if it goes for a spike, because 12 o'clock there is a news. Okay, ISM manufacturing PMI. With that news, we hopefully that we'll see some big move down, unless we are facing a spike, if we are unfortunate. trading, you have to be very patient. Patience is the key feature of a trader. Okay, so we see that there is a movement and expecting it to continue to drop. Okay guys, so I need big thumbs up. Thank you very much. I see that quite a few likes, more than 100. I want today 200 likes, so everybody please give a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to press that red subscribe button if you haven't done yet. And if you wanna learn my strategies, okay, and trade with me every day, like today we have closed Aussie dollar profitable trade, US 30 profitable trade, 2 gold trade profitable. Now this one is the third one. So if you wanna get that all of them, you can visit the website, the link in the description area. So we are now touching the gold again. So let's see what's happening with it. Okay. Okay, so I think that is still creating a bearish price action. Very good, it's awesome. So let's look at Euro GBP. Okay, so Euro GBP is a very strong reversal pattern, guys and girls. So I think that Euro GBP could be a good trade. I'm gonna take it or not take it. Let me see. Yeah, Euro GBP looks to me that it is reversing, and it might be a long reversal. It might come down to this level of support. Okay. It grabbed liquidity from the top with a long candle, but we are on one trade, so let's focus on that one. Okay, so this current 15 minutes candle creating a very strong bearish move, and I sincerely believe that it will make its way to the downside. Okay guys, it's coming down. Hold tight. Awesome. Very good. Okay, yeah, come down. Very good. Come down. That's what we need, isn't it? Come down and hit our profit target. Okay guys, do you need some music? Let me know. I can arrange some music as well next time, and if you want me to stay longer, I can stay longer, no problem. Let me know your experience in this Forex Trading Wizard Academy live streaming. And in the meantime, guys and girls, okay, looks like that it's a bearish price action has created. Okay, very good. Gold, it's almost nearing our entry. Okay. Maxon says I have really greatly improved because of it. Thank you very much. This is the goal of this monthly support. Yeah, Kakulan said, yeah, the Euro GBP has bounced from the monthly support zone. No problem, Maxon. Thank you very much. I really enjoy it. Thank you very much, Rizban. I also enjoy being with all of you guys. So we see a middleman is created. Okay, I believe that we could see respect of this middleman, and then I want some continuation to the downside, unless it's just going for a spike. It's a different story, but the price action is bearish now. A big bearish candle with a double top, proper retracement, again bearish candle with a retest of the 20 period moving average. And what I'm expecting now is to melt down. Okay. the price is in our entry now. Might go up and down a little bit, but what I'm expecting it to create a lower high. Okay, so this is the key point that you need to keep in mind, that when it will create a lower high, that is where basically exhaustion comes in place, because this market basically has quite a few liquidity grab. There's one here, you see that this resistance, there's a liquidity grab here. Okay, and then what we have seen that with that liquidity grab, basically the price created a double top here, and in that double top also we have seen there is another liquidity grab, strong rejection followed by this retracement, another rejection. Now once it will reject, it will be a good move down. Okay, this is the third trade today we are running on gold. So back to back 2 winning trades today, and also Aussie dollar we had a good winning trade. So in the meantime, look at some of the pairs such as US All. It is also a very strongly bearish market, US oil. After this liquidity grab, strong drop on the daily. US 30. Okay, US 30 also has pardon me guys, I had a little bit of cold. Sorry about that, for making you a little bit uncomfortable. So let's go back to gold again. Okay, so we see now move now below our entry. Let me see my profit. We have a little bit of profit. Okay, looks like it will come down. Do you need some music guys from tomorrow? Let me know. Let me know in the chat section, or you'll enjoy like that. Olian says, what is the cost of mentorship? Olian, you can go to the website, link in the description area, where you can find the website link, where you can find all the detail. You can chat in the live section if you have any question. It's not that much in comparison with the value it will brings. So I blow 5 my Forex fund account within 2 months. Can you mentorship make me pass and retain the account? Only mentorship. See, there are 2 things here. One is you, one is mentorship. Okay. Now, let's say I gave you had a infection, and I gave you antibiotic, the best antibiotic in the world, but you need to swallow that antibiotic. Okay, so you need to keep in mind that I can give you the best antibiotic possible, but the swallowing and digesting and discipline is up to you. So I can't make you if you don't make yourself. This is the key point. Should we wait to touch 20-day moving average to sell? Which one? In what situation? Let me tell. I've been asking for you to look at dollar yen since yesterday. Okay, Helen, I'm sorry about that. Let's look at dollar yen, because there are so many. I already looked at dollar yen, Helen. Today we talked twice about dollar yen. why dollar yen every day, all the important pairs that we are talking about in this live chat. Okay, so dollar yen on the, let's look at monthly. We saw that this monthly candle closed above all this resistance. As a result, we have seen some spike to the upside on dollar yen on the monthly. So it's a bullish, let's expect to be bullish. Weekly, very strong bullish candle. Daily, vertical move to the upside. Okay, all bullish. 4 hour. Now on the 4 hour, we have seen a bullish engulfer. Okay, normally I do not trade like this bullish engulfer from the top. What kind of bullish engulfer I trade? Let me tell you. Let's say this one. You see that there is a structure, or let's say this one. Okay, or let's say this one, which is at the bottom, like a structure like that, and then a bullish engulfer. Okay, now this bullish engulfer is very at the top. We could see a spike down even to this level, and then again creating bullish price action. That's why I'll be waiting for dollar yen to break down to certain level. Okay, probably to this level, and then to go up. Or if it goes up from here, that's fine. I'll be waiting to see how it is doing, and then based on the price action, we'll go long. But the price action is bearish. Okay, so let's see now on gold. Again, go back to gold to see, observe the price action on the 15 minutes. Now gold is in some profit that we have opened, and this is the 4 hour candle is going to close, and I think that we should see a drop on gold. As you can see, the price is slowly melting down. So after hitting our profit target, I will do a full analysis again on this one, why I have taken this trade. Already I have discussed it, so we'll discuss more, guys and girls. Looking at my profit. Okay guys, so the current candle is going to close in 15 minutes. Okay, so some movement coming down, come down. That's what we need. So let me know in the chat, you need some music or no? Should we wait to touch 20-day moving average? But the question is, I didn't understand. Okay, so unless we are seeing some reversal, we should see drop. So trading is very unpredictable. You have to be very patient when you are trading with the trade that you are taking and everything, and with money management. So Euro GBP basically is making its way down, isn't it? Yeah, Euro GBP is coming down. So Euro getting weaker. Let's see euro dollar, what it is doing. The euro dollar also created a bearish price action after the month. Okay, after the monthly close, this is a middleman. Okay, what I think that euro dollar might go for a big move on the weekly. Yeah, bearish daily. Yeah, we got a, like from the 20 period moving average on euro dollar, we have got a big rejection to the downside. Okay, now on the 4 hour we have seen a very strong rejection, so euro dollar as well created a very strong bearish price action, guys and girls. Okay, so yeah, euro dollar also created a very strong price action, and I think that, so all these things saying that dollar getting stronger again before NFP. In the meantime, guys and girls, let me know where you are from. You are from which country and what's your trading style. Let me know, okay, so that I know you better. We are spending good time, so let me know what you guys and girls are up to. Rolly said new subscriber here and happy to be here. Thank you very much, Rolly. We are also happy to welcome you. So what's your thought on trading in and out fast? For example, trading in 3 seconds. No, I don't trade in 3 seconds. It's really hard for me to maintain. How is that? I like the way you have been accurate in your prediction on British pound US dollar. Thank you very much for that. They wish a hello through, no problems. Ali sir, please look at silver, look at it. Kenya, okay, no problems. Here from Coptown, South Africa, very good. Awesome Texas, baby, awesome Texas, good job. Malaysia, very good. From Nigeria, wow, Kevin, look at DXY, yeah, look at it. India, Madagascar, wow, people from all around the world. That's awesome, really good to see that many of you from all around the world. So okay, so let me look at now what kind of price action it is now. Okay, so it's still bearish, slowly making its way down. That's what I want. Takes time, isn't it? We have to be patient. Normally, you know that if I trade alone, I don't watch chart. I just find the price action, place my entry, stop loss, take profit, and then I forget it. It's what I call a set and forget strategy that helps me to remain consistent and disciplined. But if you are trading like scalping or day trading, yeah, you need to be on the chart. But this, you know, that when you are watching chart for a long time, that's really good. For if you can remain disciplined, that's really good, because in that way you can learn how the chart pattern forms, what the price is doing in the real market data is very important. Okay, so should you wait to touch? Okay, need music. Okay, awesome. New Orleans, very good. San Diego, California, no problem. Thank you very much from California. Euro and ZD, please, no problems. PM India. So let's look at Euro NZD. Madhu was asking in the meantime. Euro NZD. Okay, so bigger picture, Euro NZD looks like that. Okay, it looks to me that Euro NZD coming down. Okay, this is the monthly candle has closed with a very rejection from top but from bottom, but long term bearish. Okay, after the bearish engulfer, as expected, we have seen a doji has been formed. Okay, now we can expect a reversal. Weekly perspective, the price overextended to the upside in this important liquidity zone, and now we can expect Euro NZD to come down. I think that daily, yeah, we see this leg is liquidity grab. I think that you see that this is the long wick candle, and we have seen the price came to test this long wick candle, and then we see a rejection. Now on the 4-hour perspective, we have seen like the Euro GBP, there is a hanging man followed by a middleman. Now what I think that like Euro GBP, Euro NZD is reversing. So Euro getting weaker, guys, and I'm sorry, I'm getting caught by cold. My daughter has that, and now I'm having, but lucky that you guys and girls looking at me virtually, so you are not getting infected anyway, but you are getting annoyed. I know, I'm sorry about that. So in the meantime, guys, don't forget to like the stream and also visit the website. So Euro NZD looking to me bearish, and I think that it is coming down, okay, in this direction. So you could potentially see that Euro NZD is continuing to drop. Okay, so like the Euro GBP, okay, Euro GBP has now you see that it's coming down. So yeah, gold, I think it's making its way down as expected. Okay, so we had a profit target on gold at 1692.52, but there are two ways you can manage the risk now after coming down well below. If you want to extend the profit target, you can do that. You can bring your risk lower and you can move the profit target if you want a bigger profit. But to me, I'll take it out because I already have 3 trades today, profitable trade, and I want to get this one as well on board. So there will be back-to-back 3 profitable trade. Thank you very much, Mom. Bless you too. Also called here, no problem. Thank you very much. It's a bit hard because I'm here and getting caught by cold. So we are now some profit in how many pips? So around 12, 13 pip profit. Okay, so let it come down. Okay, this is what we need, some profit. Okay, come down. So if this one hitting profit target, then it will be 3 profitable trades. So this one has a bit less risk to reward. As I am in this live stream, I want to give you some profit, guys. But the one that we opened, as I showed you today, we closed and with full 1-to-1. One is 1-to-1, 1-to-1.5. Okay, guys. So you can see this trade here that we have opened today with our students. Let me small this window. So the first one, gold hit profit target. The second one also gold again hit profit target. So this one is the third trade on gold, which is running now in some profit. How many? 20 people up. Okay, very good. Thank you very much. Hit the profit target because my subscriber needs some money. So move down. Yeah, this candle will close in So there will be news on 12, which is high impact news release. Okay, so now we'll do one thing, move your stop loss here. Okay, move your stop loss to 1702.26 just to reduce your risk. In the meantime, let me know in the chat section what you guys and girls are up to. USD CHF, please, sir Steve. Yeah, greeting from Kendall, Tanzania. Very good, thank you very much. Please analyze GBP and ZD. I signed up for lifetime access last week. I'm learning little but little. Already make first 200. Thank you so much. No power Samuel. Very good. Thank you for mentioning that. That's awesome that you are learning. Great job. So great, no problems. Thank you. I see that Oliana 1 GBP and ZD greatly. He or she, I don't know. Sorry about that. So let me look at GBP and ZD. Okay, so GBP and ZD monthly, it's a bearish market, but we could potentially see some retracement, probably weekly. Yeah, after the previous week's dodgy, GBP and ZD hanging man immediately came down. Okay, that's expected. Daily, there is a strong bearish angle followed by a couple of dodges. Today we have seen liquidity grab. So on the daily, weekly, we see bearish price action. Let me look at the 4 hour. Okay, so GBP and ZD now testing this important level, this support as resistance, and I think that it will continue to drop. Okay, GBP and ZD to me is bearish from this resistance. You see that this is the resistance here. Okay, now testing this resistance as well, and from here we can expect a drop on this one. So to me is bearish, and we could see a bearish move on this one. Okay, so let's go back to the gold again. Okay, so yeah, I need to end this stream, guys and girls. So I'm at the end of the stream. So yeah, this trade could keep running a little bit to see what's happening with the gold. So we are running in profit currently around 20 pip. So it reached up to 33 pip profit reach. So it's moving in this zone. Okay, come down. Eurusdjpy, please been asked. AUD and ZD continue to drop. Yep, let's look at AUD and ZD. I think so AUD, but AUD and ZD is stubborn. It's not trying to drop. So let's look at Eurusdjpy. on the 4-hour perspective, we see that Eurojpy, so euro looks like that getting weaker with Eurojpy, Euro GBP. You see that Euro CHF also created a very strong bearish price action now. So all the pairs. Euro CAD has a very strong rejection from the top on the after the monthly close, weekly, bearish, daily, 4 hour. Okay, so all euro pairs, euro getting weaker, including euro dollar, Euro GBP, Euro CAD. Euro CAD has created a very strong bearish engulfer. What I'm expecting now to probably will go up to test this one, or without testing we could see that Euro CAD is coming down, and I'm expecting it to continue to drop. So gold creating a very narrow doji now, and from this doji, from this candle, what I'm expecting gold to break this low and to continue to drop. In the meantime, guys and girls, if you want to learn my strategies and also trade with me like every day I do, you can visit the website, link in the description area. If you want to learn my strategies, you need to join the lifetime access plan. So GBP CHF, GBP CAD, gold. Okay. So this is the last 15 minutes candle on the 4-hour time frame. Let me look at what it has done on the 4-hour perspective. I think that it should come down. Okay, it should come down and hit our entry on this one here. Entry. Okay, so we have seen a gap up open on 15 minutes. Okay guys, close the gold trade now, whatever profit you have, because the candle is nearing to close. So close that gold trade, okay, for now, and we say, let's say around 20p profit. It should come down, so you can keep running. I'm gonna end the live stream. If you can manage the trade, you can keep running. If you manage the trade, you can keep running. Otherwise, close the trade, whatever profit you have. So that's the end of this live streaming for today. Again, I'm repeating, if you manage the risk, keep the trade running. If you didn't manage properly, if you don't have a stop loss, then close the trade, because news is coming and the market is going to be very volatile. The trade is now in profit, so take the profit out of the table, around 20-30p profit, whatever you have. With that said, guys and girls, it was awesome. Good live stream. Tomorrow NFP coming. Make sure you smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet, so that you don't miss out NFP extremely volatile market will be. So make sure you stick till the end, until tomorrow, and also give a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, learn the strategies. If you want to learn my strategies, you can find a link in the description area. You can join the live VIP program. Thank you. I'll see you soon tomorrow.